Hey, what's up, harmony holder? So what's going on, my harmony holder? This is live price production. This is live price production. You watching Abhistic channel. What's up, my brother? So what's going on? Harmony as one of the fastest cryptocurrency. Let's get started. The price, technical analysis, everything, and this video, my brother. Keep watch this video. Just don't miss any second of this video. Harmony starting moving up. Absolutely, my prediction as that you can see here. They're going up. Yes, absolutely. They're going up in upcoming time, my friends. Please subscribe Abhistic channel. I gonna show you the live price production in this video. Absolutely very important for every owner because her money is going up in upcoming days. Absolutely, I approve. I give you proof, my brother. This time, if you can see here, this is the level. This is the resistance of her money. You can see here. I hope they're moving upward in upcoming time. Absolutely, this is you can see here the live trading view. Absolutely moving upward, and I hope after very bad falls, they're going up. Absolutely, they're going up in upcoming time. You can see here they only fails down. Her money are very badly fails down, my friend, and a previous days, in a past days, in a past 7 days, exactly in a past 7 days. And every crypto market totally goes very badly down. But you can see here they starting jumping at this point. You can see here they starting jumping. My brother, if you want to invest at this time, then exactly this is good time to you invest and her money because her money as in the future absolutely going up. In the upcoming days they going up. They like a rocket. Absolutely, they give you very good profit, my brother. But this is not a financial advice video, my brother. I cannot advise you to please invest. I cannot. This is just I advise you, my brother. Please, if you want to invest in her money, then please research personally. This is good for you to research personally. Absolutely, then invest in her money. But this is the altcoin, her money, and those days if you invest, they absolutely at the end of this month they give you very good profit, my friend. Her money is going up in upcoming days. Absolutely, the target is very high. This time you can see here the latest price is 0.1487 US dollar, but our target is 0.15 or 400 US dollar. What you say, can they can hit it? Absolutely, they're going up, and they can cross at 0.15 400 US dollar. What you say, can they can cross it? It's easily, my brother. They're going up. Oh my goodness, they're going up 1.33% change occur. Oh my god, her money going up, my friend. Please invest. Absolutely, this is good time for you, my brother. So if you can see here this point, they can cross it is just in the same time. You can see here they can cross it at the same time. My goodness, this time you can see here the chain occur 1.92% chain. Oh my goodness. This time you can see here they chain it and 1.92%. Just a minute where I hope they can give you 2% going up. Oh my goodness. This time you can see here in the chart result, they moving up, my friends. They're moving up. Absolutely, they're moving up. I think they can easily cross it 0.249 US dollar just at today. What you said they can cross it? I hope they can cross it, my friends. I hope they can cross it. This time, if you can see your change occur 1.88% going up. Congratulations, my brother. Her money make you millionaire. Her money. Oh my goodness. This time changing 1.92% again, and this time you can see here the price change occur. Price change to 0.148915. Our target is very near. You can see here 0.15 400. This is our target. I hope they can cross it. What you say, friends? They can cross it. Oh my goodness, this time is very critical situation. Her money holder, please wait. Be what this is waiting time, my brother. Her money moving up. Oh my goodness, this time you can see here 1.45% chance. Absolutely, this is good, not bad, my friend, because this is not a small chance. Absolutely, this is very high chance occur. This time I hope in upcoming time they go up. This time you can see here they're moving like this. You can see here they're moving like this. So you can see here on the graph result. Oh my goodness, very as you can see here after very bad falls they're moving up, my friends. Very bad falls. You can see here at the previous time you can see here they very badly go down. You can see here this time this point is a very bad point. You can see here very bad point. But I hope at this time in the same time they're moving up very highly. So good time is coming soon, my friend. I hope they can go on up. They can go on up. You just wait. Okay, wait a minute. Please keep touch with us. I hope they can cross it. Just a minute, brother. I hope they can hit it. This time you can see here 1.49%. Oh my goodness, 1.93%. They're gone up. Congratulations, Harmony holder. Congratulations. Oh my goodness, Harmony won today. Mega record. This is Harmony. You can see here Harmony won and just crossing up today. Are you ready, millionaire for moon? We are going for a moon. Are you ready? Let's go to moon. Absolutely gone up, my friend. Oh my goodness, they take a very high jump. So this time, if you can see here, they target as achievement just 15.400 US dollar. Oh my goodness, this time they can cross it. I hope they can cross it. And we are in the near. Oh my goodness, just a minute. Oh my god, they can cross it. 2.02% gone up. What a chance! What I told you, my prediction is right, my friend. Please like just like this video. I am right, my friend. Please just like this video. If you need this time more informative, please like. This time they can easily cross it for 0.15400 US dollar. What you second they can cross it? Yes, I hope they can cross it, my friend. Keep touch with us. This time the live review you can see here, they can hit it easily, my friend. This time they're going up very fastly and my target is very high. I hope they can cross it. 0.15400 US dollar. They can cross it. What you say they can cross it? 0. Oh my goodness, they take again very. Oh my goodness, this time change occur 1.88 or 1.84% in the last 24 hours. This is the last 1 hour. Oh my goodness, they're going up. They're going up again. They're going up. Oh my goodness, the 1.84% they're going up. Congratulations, my brother. They're totally going up. They're totally jumping. Oh my goodness, jumping like a Spider-Man, my brother. What you say? They can cross it just in a minute. 0.15400. You can see here, this is our target. Absolutely, they can cross it. Absolutely, they can cross it, my brother. This time our target is 0.15400 US dollar. I think they can cross it easily. This is not a high task. Absolutely, they can cross it, my brother. So what you say? They can cross it? Please comment, my brother. They can cross it. I hope they can cross it. I make a major update, especially I make a latest update for this. Please, if you like this video, please I make another video for this. They can cross it, a high target. We make a special video for you, Harmony holder. Please remember to subscribe this channel. They can change it 2.01% going up. Subscribe our YouTube channel. Please subscribe our YouTube channel. If they cross 0.15400 US dollar, then I make a special video for you, and you please subscribe and press bell icon for touch us. Okay, subscribe ABS Tech channel. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz. Take care, my brother. Good time is coming. We are going to the moon. You just wait. Please hold it. Don't sell it, my brother. Please hold it. Don't sell it. Best time is coming soon. Remember, best time is coming soon. At the end, they make you millionaire. Because good time is coming. Therefore, the price is going double. Absolutely, the price is going double. So thanks for watching. See you next time. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe and press bell icon for videos notification. Allah Hafiz. Take care. Oh my goodness, this time again they can take it and cross it. Oh my goodness, this time they can cross it, our target. I am right, my friends. Please like. They can cross 0.5200 US dollar. They can cross it. Thank you so much, guys. Allah Hafiz. Take care. See you next time. Like this video, subscribe this channel. Allah Hafiz. Take care.